Alright, so my past 3 videos, I showed y'all my USS Nimitz, San Antonio, and the Iowa. So now it's time for my most recent ship, the USS Mustin. Alright, so here's the USS Mustin. I made it like sometime this spring. It's totally, it was originally supposed to be the USS Arleigh Burke, but I decided I didn't really want to just do the plain Arleigh Burke class, so I did a Flight 2A Arleigh Burke. Which the USS Mustin, my primary reference, happens to be. You can see the detailing is much higher quality than like on the Nimitz, or it's not super good, considering this one is a lot newer, almost a whole year newer. So this one really still doesn't have like any sort of cool features, sadly. Up here you can see the anchor lowering that I have in all of them. I don't really want to demonstrate it right now because this one isn't very smooth. We've got this gun up here, swivels. We have the VLS systems. They're not super detailed. I considered making them actually like open and everything and making it cool, but it was too finely detailed for what you can really do with cardboard. You can see here we've got the M2 Browning guns. They're kind of blend in with the kind of messy paint, but you see there's another one. It's black with that barrel and the shield thing. And we've also got the Bushmaster guns here, the much bigger ones. We've got a Phalanx COWS up there near the bridge, and yeah, here's the Spy 6 radar systems that it's so famous for. And that's about it for like the bow. Or wait, there's also the Sea Sparrow missiles there. So here's the mast here with all the systems on it. There's the radomes. With the first stack down here, you can look. We have the decoy launchers down there, and over there, I don't really know what those are. Those are just little pillar things. The antenna. We have a few satellite dishes and another Phalanx. So down here, the aviation deck, the detailing on that deck isn't super good. We have the doors back here in the hangar, which do open, just not smoothly. It kind of sucks. So here we have the lifeboats and their crane. Go back up here, look back at the bow. You can see the engines down here, or the rotors. You can see my dog over there sleeping. Anyway, I think that's all for the USS Mustin. Hope you enjoyed. Please consider liking and subscribing.